This is a sinking deck. We're at a house in North Vancouver today. The client called because they have a second story deck that's sloping pretty dramatically. It was only standing on temporary support beams, so we needed to permanently stabilize and support the deck. We started by coring through the concrete and then installing our push pier system. These are individual sections of galvanized steel tubes that we drive hydraulically through the ground until they reach competent load-bearing strata. The first one went down about 11 feet and things got pretty spicy, but we moved on to the next one. Once those were in the ground, we got to remove the temporary support beams and use ours to lift the deck back to level. Then we measured and cut some replacement beams using our push piers and the brackets from our smart jacks to secure it to the deck. Of course, we had to make sure everything was level before making it official. To finish it off, the homeowner is going to put some wooden beams around the piers to conceal them. Our team nailed this project. We got it done in less than a day, and now this deck is permanently stabilized.